Hi, in this lesson, we are going to discuss about finding the greatest common factor or GCF. Okay? Why? Bakit kailangan nating pag-aralan? Bakit kailangan nating matutunan itong finding the greatest common factor? Okay. The reason why we need to know how to find the greatest common factor is kakailanganin natin yung kaalaman na to in changing fraction to lowest term. Okay. In my previous videos na nagawa ko about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions, paulit-ulit ko na mention doon na kailangan we are going to express our answer in lowest term if possible. Okay, and how to express our answer in lowest term? Okay, of course, by finding the greatest common factor or the GCF. Okay, so therefore, we need, kailangan nating matutunan or pag-aralan itong lesson na to. It is very important lesson, which is finding the greatest common factor or the GCF. Okay, so when we say factor or factors, ito yung mga numbers. These are numbers that we multiply. Okay, so example, the number 10. Okay, the factors of 10 are, okay, factors of 10 are 10 and 1 and 5 and 2. Okay, so again, the factors of 10 are 10 and 1, 5 and 2. Okay, another one, let's have 15. Okay, what are the factors of 15? Ano yung number na i-multiply mo, magbibigay ng product na 15? Okay, so 15 times 1. So 15 and 1 are factors of 15. And what else? Okay, 5 and 3. So 5 times 3, that is equal to 15. So these numbers are called factors. Okay, so how to find the greatest common factor? Okay, so let's try the first example. Okay, number 1. Okay, supposing let us or we are going to find the GCF of 12 and 18. Okay, we are going to look for the GCF of 12 and 18. Okay, the first thing to do, the first step is you are going to list down the factors. List down all the factors of the given numbers. Okay, so the given numbers here are 12 and 18. So unang gagawin natin, ililista natin lahat ng factors ng 12 and lahat ng factors ng 18. Okay, so let's try. So for 12, the factors of 12 are 12 and 1, 6 times 2 or 6 and 2, 4 and 3. So again, the factors of 12 are 12 and 1, 6 and 2, 4 and 3. Okay. Let's proceed with 18. Okay. The factors of 18 are, okay, ano-ano yung mga numbers na i-multiply natin na magbibigay ng sagot na 18. So we have 18 times 1. Okay, what else? 6 times 3. What else? 9 times 2. Okay, so 18 and 1 are factors of 18. 6 and 3, 9 and 2 are factors of 18. Okay, double check. Baka mayroon pang nakalimutan, nakaligtaan na isulat. So, see to it na lahat ng factors ay naisulat. na ilista. So, just see to it na walang nakaligtaan na ilista na factors. Okay. So, after that, okay, that's the first step. Okay, that is the first step. Okay, second step, we are out of this factors that we have here. We are going to look for the common factors. Okay, common factors, ito yung mga numbers na makikita natin sa 12 and factor din sa 18. Okay, makikita natin dito sa 18. Okay, example 1 is a common factor. Okay, what else? 2 is a common factor. Another one, 3 is a common factor also. Okay. And what else? 6 is a common factor also. So, common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay. So, out of those common factors, okay, pipiliin natin ngayon yung pinakamalaki. Okay, and that is now the greatest common factor. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 6. So out of the 4 common factors, so 6 is the greatest common factor. So therefore, the GCF is 6. The GCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Okay. So, ganun lang po kadali. No? That's how simply we find the greatest common factor. Ganun lang kadali ang paghahanap ng greatest common factor. Okay. So, try to check. Look at our answer. Look at the GCF. 6 maaari pong i-divide itong 12 and 18 sa 6. Okay? Ito yung pinakamalaking number, the greatest number na pwede or maaaring i-divide si 12 and 18. Okay? 1, maaari nating i-divide ang 12 and 18 sa 1. The same with 2. The same with 3. And of course with 6. But 6, ito yung pinakamalaking number na maaaring i-divide natin sa 12 and 18. So GCF of 12 and 18 is 6. No? Okay, sige. So let's proceed with another example. Number 2. Example. Okay, let's try 15 and 21. Okay. So first step, you are going to list down all the factors of the two numbers. So, what are the factors of 15? Okay, what are the factors of 15? We have 15 and 1. What else? 5 and 3. Okay, so yun. So, merong 4 na factors ang 15. So, 15 and 1, 5 and 3. How about 21? What are the factors of 21? So, 21 times 1. What else? 7 times 3. Okay. Now, out of these factors that we have here, okay, double check muna natin kung meron bang nakaligtaan. So, si 21, okay, times 1, 7, and 3. Okay, so 4 lang din ang factors ng 21. So, see to it na walang nakaligtaan, walang nakalimutan na isulat na factors. Kailangan na lista or na isulat lahat ng factors ng numbers. Okay, so out of these factors that we have here, okay, titingnan natin, we are going to look at the common factors. So 1 is a common factor. 3 also is a common factor. So dalawa. We have 2 common factors. 15 and 21 have 2 common factors, which are 1 and 3. Now, out of the common factors that we have, hahanapin, pipiliin mo yung pinakamalaki. Okay, pinakamalaki, and which is 3. So therefore, the GCF or the greatest common factor of 15 and 21 is 3. Okay, another one. Okay, let's have example number 3. Okay, let's try 8 and 24. Okay, let's try to find the GCF of 8 and 24. Okay, so unang step, the first step to do in finding the greatest common factor is, okay, list down the factors, all the factors of 8, and list down all the factors of 24. So let's start with 8. What are the factors of 8? We have 8 and 1, 4 and 2. Okay, how about 24? Okay, factors of 24 are 24 and 1. 24 and 1, 12 times 2. What else? 6 times 4. 8 times 3. Okay, so double check. Balikan natin yung 8. Okay, 8 times 1, that is equal to 8. 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. So 8 has 4 factors. 24. Okay, 24 times 1, 12 times 2, 6 times 4, 8 times 3. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. 24 has 8 factors. Okay, now, out of the factors that we have here, okay, titingnan natin yung mga common factors. So 1 is a common factor. Okay, 2 is a common factor also. 4 is a common factor. And 8 also. So 1, 2, 4, and 8 are common factors of 8 and 24. Now, out of those common factors, okay, pipiliin natin yung pinakamalaki, and that is 8. So 8 is the GCF or greatest common factor of 8 and 24. Okay, so another one. Let's try number 4. Okay, let's try 10 and 25. Okay, so let's try to look for the greatest common factor of 10 and 25. Okay, unang gagawin, first thing to do is, okay, list down all the factors of 10. So what are the factors of 10? 10 and 1, 5 and 2. How about 25? What are the factors of 25? 25 and 1. What else? 5 times 5. Okay. So out of these factors, okay, select the common factors. Okay, 1 is a common factor, 5 is a common factor. Okay, so dalawa po yung common factors ng 10 and 25. So 1 and 5 are common factors of 10 and 25. Now, out of these two common factors, pipiliin natin yung pinakamalaki, and that is 5. So 5 is the greatest common factor. Okay. So that's how we are going to find the greatest common factor. Okay? Napakadali lang. There are 3 steps, no? Steps to follow. Steps. Okay, what are the steps na kailangan nating sundin in finding the greatest common factor? Una, ano yung unang ginawa natin? Okay, we are going to list down all the factors. List down all the factors of the given numbers. Okay, in step 2, okay, you're going to look at the common factors. Then lastly, you're going to select the greatest common factor. Okay, again, these are the steps in finding the greatest common factor. Okay, first is we are going to list down all the factors of the given numbers. Okay, number 2, look at the common factors. So out of the factors that we have, you are going to look at the common factors. Then after that, lastly, you are going to select out of the common factors, you are going to select the greatest common factor. Okay, so ganun lang po kadali, no? That's how easy to find the greatest common factor. Again, kailangan natin yung skill or yung kaalaman na to in finding the greatest common factor kasi gagamitin natin ito when we are going to express, no? In expressing our answer in lowest term. Changing fraction in lowest term. You need to find the greatest common factor in changing fraction to lowest term. Okay, so I just hope na meron kayong natutunan na naman sa video to, and okay, if meron kayong natutunan, okay, please don't forget to click the like button, and of course please subscribe to my channel para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko sa mga gagawin ko pang mga videos next time. Okay, again, thank you.